you can count on. Well, one local school district tries a special approach to help children with their mental health during this pandemic.
New at 11, News 13's Chris Spiker spoke with a Robeson County school counselor about the virtual method her district uses.
The CDC and American Academy of Pediatrics have warned about how the pandemic has hurt kids' mental health, partially due to disrupted schedules or just not seeing their friends. A Robeson County educator is getting teachers and school staff to learn how to spot when a student needs some help.
There's a lot of things related to trauma in our county, and being that COVID has transpired, I feel like that's just heightened.
Megan Collins says she made the switch from teaching to school counseling 3 years ago to help children with their mental health. The issue has grown as classes went virtual due to COVID-19.
Whether you see it on their face through the screen or it's in some like nonverbal cues, maybe they're not participating, they're not logging in, they're not their usual self.
Today we'll discuss how distress and trauma can affect behavior.
That's why Collins helped the public schools of Robeson County adopt a program back in May called Kognito. It uses interactive scenarios to show school staff how to communicate and empathize with students.
I notice you still haven't turned in your first assignment. Is everything okay?
Kognito also teaches how to look for signs of anxiety and depression.
And by them having those skills, they can better serve that child. They can be aware of those signs.
Collins says Kognito's training will help students across a large district with communities of all types.
It's given us the tools necessary to be able to approach that child regardless of where it is that they're coming from.
Collins also says students will soon start using Kognito simulations called Friend to Friend and Mental Health and Suicide Prevention. Robeson County returns to a hybrid model with some in-person classes on March 1st. Reporting for News 13, I'm Chris Spiker.
North